Anyway guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the free versus start to the professional and kind of like explaining the pricing plans for Hubspot and what you can actually expect. So for the free account on the Hubspot, what you're gonna get is that you're gonna get like a lot of basic things. So for example, you can use the CRM and many other tools like free sales tool, free service tools, free content tools, free data tools, primarily for the free account. But primarily when you're gonna like see here, you're gonna have the starter, which is like $9 per month per seed, where you're gonna find, like, for example, for the marketing hub starter, you're gonna have like 1,000 marketing contacts. You can have also sales hub starter and all these like products, but you're gonna fear, for example, marketing, you're gonna find what you actually see in a starter. So free tools with increased limits, plus remove Hubspot branding form, and forms, email marketing, live chat, with also ad management, ad retargeting, CRM segments. So this is how the whole process works, and you can have like annually or monthly. And then you're gonna have like the sales here. So sales too, you're gonna have like the calling, Hubspot provided phone numbers, repeating tasks, and that's all. For example, for the free tools, what you're gonna get on like, let's say, monthly basis here for the free, if it makes sense. Now it's really up to you if you actually need that. Now what is important, that at one point, for example with marketing, that if you need like more than 1,000 marketing contacts, it can get like very expensive. Like look at that, like very expensive for the professional. So, and this is why I'm going to share with you just like a device that if you can like learn how to wipe code, and you can make internal tool in your own company, which is going to primarily do the things that you want it to do. And if you have some kind of like programmer in company, or if you can learn it by yourself, it's not that difficult, to be honest. And then you don't have to pay that much for the other tools. And I know many entrepreneurs, what they do is that they build the scripts, they build the tools for themselves to use in their own company. So that's kind of like insane thing. So that's primarily the thing here, that you're going to get these things that you're going to see on the starter, and maybe you're gonna be like good for you. So something to be aware of. All right, so thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.